All right, we're going to be going over Chapter 4, Lesson 8, Homelinks. So I'm going to go ahead and read the instructions. Plot 3 sets of coordinates listed below. Connect the points for each set in the order they are listed. So we have 3 different sets, and they're not going to be connected. So we'll connect everything for letter 1 and not connect for 2, connect for 2, and not to 3 and 1. I went ahead and I already labeled the x-axis and the y-axis, but let's also add in that origin. And remember, we have x before y. Planes have to go over the horizon before they can rise vertically. That's how I like to think about it. So we have 6, 14. So here's 6 up to 14. And if you're having a hard time like I am, take something straight. It doesn't always have to be a ruler. Like in my case, I'm not using a ruler. 6 up to 14. And we don't want to trace. I see a lot of us tracing. We just want to kind of put that mark there. Then 2 to 14. So here's 2 and then 14. Connect as we go. 2 to 7. So here's 2 and then 7. 6 to 7. All right, looks like that first letter is a C. So I'm going to write that word, because the next thing is to write down what word it is. So I wrote that letter there. Now 7 to 13. Now 7 to 7. 10 to 7, and then 10 to 13. Huh, a U, interesting. Now 11 to 7, then 11 to 13. I like when I've already had a number because it helps guide me, and then I don't have to use the straight edge as much. Now 13 up to 15. See there, I need that straight edge. Oops, I did that one wrong. I read that wrong. So make sure you're paying attention, unlike I did. Remember, X goes first, then Y. I did that the opposite there. There we go. And then 10, 15, down to 10. And then 11, 10. So I have a line here, but that shouldn't intersect there. All right, now I have my last letter, a P. Look at the blank, so I spelled cup, sorry. Look at a blank coordinate grid and think about how you could sketch another 3-letter word. So this section here, you won't have to do. I did not think about sketching another word. So don't worry about that one. We're going to go ahead and skip it. And I should have told you to skip that one in class.